Okay, now write down these words. Write down the words in your notebook. Swim, fly, hop, run, jump, climb. Okay, swim, fly, hop, run, jump, climb. In your notebook. Do you need a pen or pencil? I have a pencil here, and you have a pen. You want it? Anybody? Okay. So these are moving verbs. Yeah? These are the verbs that describe moving. Okay, now again, you are going to write these verbs, these words again, and write in separate line. For example, SWIM, swim in one line on the left, fly in one line, hop in one line, run in one line, jump in one line, climb in one line. Okay, write again. Write again in your notebook. And when this time you write these verbs in separate lines. Okay, now I have a question for you. Can people, you, me, your parents, other teachers, Sayadaw, monks, nuns, can people do all these things? Can people do all these things? Yes? Is there anything here that people can't do? Which one? Fly. Yeah, people can't fly. Yeah, people can only fly in airplanes. Okay, so they can't fly because they don't have wings. Okay, so people can't fly, but they all can do something. People can do. Yeah, they can swim and they can hop. They can run, they can jump, they can climb. Okay, so now just to practice with your friends, ask your friends question. Can people swim? The answer is yes, they can. Can people fly? No, they can't. Yeah, just practice. You know the questions and answer, but just to practice. Do you know the word fluency? Fluency. Okay, this is a new word. You don't need to write down. Fluency in English, fluent in English means like when I speak English, okay, for example, Yesterday, I went to Mandalay, not fluent. Okay. Yesterday I went to Mandalay by motorcycle with my friends to go shopping. This fluent. Okay. If you say like yesterday, my friend, then it's not fluent. Fluency. Just for fluency, you practice. Can people swim? Yes, they can. Yes, they can. Can people fly? No, they can't. Okay, practice with your friend. Okay, now this time, can you ask your friend? Yes, I can. No, I can't.
Can you run? Can you run in? Can you run in? Street.
Ra đã. Ra rồi đó. Ra rồi đó. Okay, now ask me the questions beginning with can you. Okay, ask me the questions. I also want to try you.
Can you fight with tigers?
Fight with the tiger if I had a gun. Yes.
Yes.
No, I can't fight with tigers. No, I can't. Okay, any other questions?
I cannot fight.
You can fight. Ah, okay, great. So you're a super boy. Okay, another question. Everybody will ask at least one question. Just try to, create ideas.
Can you run in?
Can you swim
In the run on the river? No, I can't.
Can you swim in the volcano?
In the volcano? No, I can't. Okay, girls, please.
Can you swim
In the ocean? Yeah, just near the beach, yes. But I can't swim across the ocean. I can't swim across the ocean. I'm not Mahasanaga. Okay. Okay, everybody, please, one question each.
Can you ride?
Can you fly the space?
Can you fly and travel in the space? No, I can't travel in the space. Okay, now this time ask me questions that you think I can do. For example, like I will ask you a question. Can you play football?
Oh, yes, I can.
Okay, something like that.
Can you put it?
Put on my clothes. Of course, I can. I'm not a baby.
Can you take a bath?
This is not a skill. Yeah. Do you know the difference between skill and action? Can you cook? This is a skill. Can you run fast? A skill. Can you get up? Of course I get up. You know.
Can get up.
Yes, I can get up early. I get up at 5 o'clock every day.
Me too.
You too? Yeah, that's great. What time do you go to bed?
I usually put 11.
11 o'clock. So you only sleep how many hours? 11. Only 6 hours you sleep. 6 hours only. Is it enough?
Yes, but sometimes I sleep.
Yeah, you feel sleepy. Yeah.
Can you driving by can you drive or plane?
Plane. Fly a plane. Fly an aeroplane. Drive a car. Fly an aeroplane. No, I can't. I can drive a car, but I can't fly an aeroplane. Take books in one day. How thick? Allowed to. How thick? How many pages? No, I can't. I can finish. I can read 2 novels in one day. Novels. Can you climb? Climb to the sky? No, I can't.
Can you walk Mandalay to Yangon?
Walk Mandalay to Yangon? I don't think so. I don't think so. You know, my knees are weak. Okay, အဲ့တော့ဒီမှာကျန် hey အားလုံးမပြောနိုင်သေးတဲ့လူတွေရှိတယ် ဟုတ်တယ်နော်မပြောနိုင်သေးတဲ့လူတွေရှိတော့ပြောနိုင်တဲ့လူကိုဆရာတင်ပြီးတော့ငါ့ကိုဟုတ်ပြီငါ့ကိုမေးခွန်းလေးတွေ2 ခုစီလောက်လုပ်ပေးစမ်းပါအဲ့ဒီမေးခွန်းကဘာဖြစ်မလဲဆိုတော့ဆရာလုံနိုင်လောက်တဲ့ထင်တဲ့မေးခွန်းဟုတ်ပြီနော်လုံနိုင်လောက်လိမ့်မယ်ထင်တဲ့ဟာမျိုးဟိုခုနသားမေးသလိုအဝိစားဝိတ္တသလားဆိုတာမျိုးအဲ့ဒါမျိုးမဟုတ်ဘူးလေနော်ဝိစားဝိတ္တသလားလည်းမဟုတ်ဘူးဒါပါတော့လုံနိုင်မှာဘာဖြစ်မလဲ Can you eat Can you eat ဆိုတာမျိုးကတော့ဒါမေးစရာမဟုတ်ဘူးလေမင်းစားတတ်သလားစားနိုင်သလားဒီလိုဆိုရင်တော့ရတယ် Can you eat 10 bowls of rice ဒီလိုစလုံးနဲ့10 လုံးစားနိုင်သလား No I can't
Can you eat 10 hamburger?
10 hamburgers No I can eat 2 hamburgers ဟုတ်ပြီအဲ့မမေးတတ်တဲ့လူတွေကငယ်ကြီးမှမေးပါမေးပြီးတော့အနည်းဆုံး2 ခုစီတော့ဆရာကိုမေးရ
You ride a bicycle for 5 hours.
I can ride a bike for 5 hours yes not a bicycle motorcycle You know we used to travel to Yuan by bike every year
Don't break.
Okay, no 2-3 hours, no breaks. But we stop somewhere just to enjoy the scenery. You know, the place is beautiful. We stop, not because I get tired. Yeah, the viewpoints. Okay, walk with your friends and prepare 2 questions to ask me. Okay, another exercise. Another exercise here. Okay, have you written these moving verbs? Swim, fly, hop, run, jump, climb in your notebook? So in separate lines.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, so think of 3 animals that can swim.
Shark.
Okay, just write down. Write down in your book, in your notebook. Think of 3 animals that can swim. You can Walk with your friends. That's okay. Whales. W-H-A-L-E-S. Whales. Only three. Three animals that can swim. Okay. Fly. Fly. Another word. Fly. Okay. Write three animals that can fly. But don't use the word that you have already used here. For example, I write fish, dog, what else? Shark. Or maybe whale. Okay. So can fly. I can write, but don't use these words again. Okay? So one animal only at one place. You can't use one animal in two places. Okay? So think of three animals that can hop, three animals that can run, three animals that can jump, three animals that can climb. Okay? Walk with your friends. Okay. Do you agree that?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Now the three animals that can fly.
Fly. Butterfly.
Bat,
Fly.
fly, butterfly. Okay. Another one. Three animals that can run.
Rabbit. Lion. Tiger. Leopard.
Okay. Very good. And three animals that can hop.
Kangaroo, rabbit, cat,
Cat. Three animals that can jump.
frog, lion, dolphin.
Okay. And you, three animals that can climb.
Chicken, monkey, gorilla.
Okay. Okay to me. Hey, swim. Three animals that can swim.
Dolphin,
Yeah, mabane dolphin.
dolphin, shark, fish,
Okay. Fly.
fly,
Fly. Fly.
butterfly,
Okay. Butterfly.
bee, papa, fish,
Bee. Bee. Okay. Bird. Okay. Run.
frog,
Okay. Hop. Không sao lâu này. Rabbit. Okay. Can birds hop? Can birds hop? Yeah, can. Now I'm asking you the question. Can birds hop? Birds đi, nghe đi, hop đâu này là? Không sao này. Yes, yes. Like kangaroos, they can do that. Hops. Okay. What animals can jump? Okay. Animals. People are not animals. Okay, to me. Climb. Yeah. Swim. Okay. And run. Your turn. Okay. Huh? Human. Humans are not animals. You're just talking about animals. People, human, they are not animals, right? Okay. Can bear climb? Can bear climb? Bears. I think bears can climb. What one is that? Banaria, yeah. Yeah, I think they can climb, but not very good, I think. Monkeys can climb. Yeah, very good. Okay. So, okay, a few more minutes. Now I'm going to write down. You don't need to write down. Just look at here. Oops. Crocodile. How do you pronounce? Crocodile. Crocodile. Giraffe. Giraffe. And spider. Whale. So there are 4 animals. Okay. Now, which one is different from other animals? Whale is different. Okay. Why is whale different from other animals? Why? Whale live in the sea, but crocodiles also live in the sea, right?
Where can
Stay on land. Whale can stay on land.
where can walk?
We can't. Yeah, whales can't live on the land, but crocodiles can walk. Yeah, on the land, on the ground. Yes. Okay, whales are different. Do you think there is something that spiders are different from other animals? Okay, so what can a spider do? Just think about it. What can a spider do? Spider? Spider-Man. Build a house. You say, okay. So they make webs. Spider web, you know that. Right? Spiders make webs. Crocodiles don't make webs. Okay? Giraffe, no. Whales, no. And there is something about the giraffe that is different from other animals here. Yeah, they have long necks. Okay? This is different. And there's one thing different from, crocodile. Crocodile eat meat. What about whales? Don't eat meat? No, they eat fish. Yeah, they eat fish, but they don't eat meat. Yeah, crocodiles eat meat. And I think crocodiles is the only animal that live both in the water and on the land. No, here in this list. Okay, so the reasons are here. And another reason, for example, spider is different because it is very small. Yeah. So whale is different because it is very big. Okay. The biggest animal, right? So, crocodile, giraffe, spider, whale. Okay, I'll give you a hint. Legs. 4 legs.
0.
No legs. So whales are different because they don't have any legs. They don't have any legs. This is one thing. And teeth. Think about teeth. So, do you know how many teeth does a crocodile have? No, it's about 60 teeth. 60 teeth. Human being, 36 teeth. No, we have 36 teeth, grown-up people. A crocodile have 60 teeth. So, crocodile is different because it has a lot of teeth. So these are the reasons we think about. Okay, so it's 4:30. Now, here in this picture, okay, so you will see animals in one line. There are 4 lines here. 4 lines. In the number 4, windows, truck, a door, window, truck, and roof. So trying to think of difference. You know, we say the odd one, ODD, odd only one. Odd one ဆိုတာကျန်တဲ့ဟာတွေနဲ့မတူတဲ့တစ်ခု Okay အဲ့ဒါကိုအကြောင်းနဲ့တကွစဉ်းစားခဲ့တယ်မှာ For example, number 1 ဆိုရင် what is that? Bat. Bat is different because it can fly and it can see in the lions also can see in the night, in the dark. ဟုတ်ပြီနော်အဲ့တော့မတူညီတဲ့ reason လေးတစ်ခုအနည်းဆုံးတော့ကွယ်ဆရာတို့တစ်ခုတော့လုပ်ပြီးအင်္ဂလိပ်လိုမပြောနိုင်ရင်တော့မြန်မာလိုဟုတ်ပြီနော်အဲ့ဒါကြတော့သူဘာလဲဆိုတော့သူစကားပြော skill တဲ့ thinking skill နော် creative thinking လို့ခေါ်တယ်အဲ့ဒါလည်းအရေးကြီးတာ Okay, thank you. I see you tomorrow.